Hey, Personal Finance. So this week we are finishing up our investing unit and we're starting on the buying a car unit. So to start it off, we are going to be looking at an investing slideshow, which is kind of like an interactive worksheet. Basically, you're going to be finishing up Make Yourself a Millionaire. If you get stuck on that, please don't get super frustrated about it. Just we'll work on it during the synchronous session on Monday and also on Wednesday if you need. I know it's kind of a big project, so I want to make sure that you get the help that you need for it. And usually, if we were in regular school, we would just take a couple days to just work on it in class. So that's what we're going to do in the synchronous sessions. Wednesday, you're going to give some advice to a new investor, kind of just like telling them what things you have learned about investing and compound interest, the rule of 72, that whole thing. And you're going to update your stocks. There's a video I made to remind you how to do that. On Friday, we are starting actually, really, it's Wednesday during the synchronous session. We're going to start by looking at the purchasing a car slideshow, just to kind of get an idea of what all the things we need to think about when purchasing a car. Then you're going to do a couple activities Friday morning to learn about leasing versus buying a car, and thinking about budgeting for a car. What all do you need to take into account with your own budget, as well as like the financing options of buying a car. So then we'll finish up the week in the synchronous session with a new spreadsheet called Car Loan Spreadsheets, which is going to lead us into the next project for next week, which is called the Buy a Car Project, where you are going to be using spreadsheets to calculate interest on a loan and figure out what it would take to buy a used car versus a new car. And we'll talk more about that next week. So good luck. We'll see you soon.